Move the animals to their and try another one. Very good. It's a way to go. It's a monkey. That's right. It's a duck. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. That's right. A duck eats. That's right. Yes, panda eats bamboo. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Very good. That's the panda's house. Way to go! That's the monkey's house. Correct. That's the duck's house.